You can do pretty much anything with this system. It's so good. You can also set, right, if I just wipe that, well, first of all, you can have like a display screen, so that's your sat nav. You want to set the sat nav, you want to go somewhere. Take me to Starbucks.
One possibility is Starbucks on Capitol Way. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
It will go automatically. That is actually, sorry, you'll just see that sent it to my watch as well. So I'll get kind of haptic taps on my wrist when it's ready to turn. Again, let's see. Navigate to the Trafford Centre, Manchester.
One option I found is the Trafford Centre. Is that the one you want?
Yes.
Getting directions to the Trafford Centre.
All I need to do now, and that'll take me to Starbucks and then the Trafford Centre.